Government have to provide a means for the public to engage in local politics and the decisions that affect them. To this end, an electronic petition system must be in use by local councils by the end of the year 2010. Weblabs, a company with a 10-year history in local government web-based software, has developed a very powerful e-petition system that is easy to use and functionally rich. Plus, as it is part of a large suite of web-based products, we can start you with the e-petition system, then extend it via software connectors to our full committees and meetings system with decision and forward planning, through to our enterprise class content management system that runs the site you are seeing now. Over the next few minutes, I hope to provide a taster to whet your appetite for you to contact us for a more complete demonstration of this powerful yet very affordable product from Weblabs. The main petition screen. This is modelled around the Aylesbury Vale template, so you can see the menus down the left hand side and the banner at the top. In the middle is the main panel, and on the right the login, calendar, and if I scroll down you can see the search in the A to Z for petitions, and there's a past petition that's up here. Now this demonstration has to be fairly quick, so I've got to move along a bit. So I'm going to log in and create a new petition. Okay, so I'm now logged in as Harvey. I'm not actually going to create one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use one that I've created earlier and publish it. So if I go down here now, notice on this is a demonstration system, but you'll notice here on the Say No to Gypsies site, this is just really to show that some people will post some petitions that we don't agree with, and they can be rejected with allow people to change them, etc. Anyway, let's go down to the Camberwell littering, street littering, edit that, and you can see here's my description. And if I scroll down, there's some documents, some pictures and so on, and there's a link to a website to continue, but I want to press the submit button. Okay, so that's now been submitted to the council. So now I'm going to switch screens and I'm going to log in as an administrator. Funnily enough, it's the same person. There's a surprise for a demo. Now you can see here we've got the Camberwell Street littering, it's here already. So let's click edit. Now first of all, I haven't got time to do a full explanation. Hopefully if we come in and do a demonstration for you, then we can go into much more detail on this, because there's a lot of functionality that I have to gloss over. So I'm going to just quickly go to the documents, and I'm going to approve these documents have been uploaded, that I'm happy. Now if at any time I can reject it, it would go back to the person and they get the option to change to and then resubmit. Now they've been approved, and I'll look down here and you can see it's asking me to check the postcode for the person who's posted it, and I'm going to just allow the postcode because that's so you can put rules in place to who can and can't post. Also, is organiser anonymous? We'll leave that. In fact, no, we'll turn that off. Now, threshold is very important. This is the number of vote signatures you have to get to make it active. So I'm going to set that to 1 just for this demonstration, and I'm going to put the date in here to start from today. I'm going to select an area, and I'm going to put this under environment. And we've got validate postcode. Allow anonymous people to vote. Put signatures anonymously. Now this number of signatures per email address, you might have a couple that share an email address, and so that would be 2 signatures on the same email address. Of course you can set that from 1 to 5. And so we're going to say that's okay. We're going to approve that, ready for voting now. Okay, that's approved. Now there's nothing more to be done on this, so I'm going to publish this now and then switch back into the public view, and then I'm going to log out. Sorry, my apologies. I'm going to log out. Now this is what the public will see. So you can now see we've got Camberwell Street littering. I can click on that and I can have a look at this, open it up and look at the documents, make a decision. Yep, well yeah, it looks pretty nasty. I think I'll put my signature on this. So I'll put my name, Steve. I can't spell, I'm afraid. Let's actually spell that with a capital, shall we? Postcode and my email address. Now also I'm going to not allow this one to sign in anonymously, but I'm going to allow to update me, so as the process follows I'll get updates. So I'll sign that petition. Now I'm also going to sign it, if you can see it said thanks. I'm also going to sign that as someone else, so let's have a quick look. You can see my signatures on there. Go back and I want to log in again, and I'm going to log in as someone else this time. So I'm going to go in as same, there we go, but this time I'm going to sign in anonymously. Put my teeth in, and I'm going to sign petition. Okay, so that's 2 signatures on this now. Let's just have a quick look. You can see it's the current signature count is 2, so click on view signatures and you can see I've signed this and Anne's anonymous. Obviously this is viewable from the other side. So now we're going to go back into the administration pages, and I'm going to refresh, go back to the beginning and click on that again, and this time you see now that the threshold box has gone green. So that means it's got the right numbers and we can do something with it. So I'm going to close this, which stops any more signatures, and I'll set an action. Now the action can be a number of things. It could be just sending a response, it could be having a public meeting, it could be a whole load of things, but it could also, for example, say you was putting something about having a bypass. Can you put a bypass, past our village? This kind of petition, if it actually went through, would affect multiple committees, multiple meetings, may run over a number of years. So that's when our committees and meetings system would come in, with the forward plan and the decision making system built into it. That would allow people who've signed this to track through the petition all the way through to closing across multiple meetings and multiple committees. It's quite powerful, but out the box you can just put the results of the meeting. You can also set times for the meeting. Okay, so I'm just going to put a response to this, and I'll say bins cleaned, finalised. So that's now closed, that's finished, that one. If I go back into the public view, click on it again. Okay, there we go, actually for the front end. If I click on it, you can see now there's the Camberwell Street littering, days left 0, and the resolution bins cleaned. So that's that. Now that's a very simplistic one, but so if I'm going to go back now to the reporting side, now once you've got a load of petitions on here, there's going to be a good chance you're going to want to be able to report. So we have a number of reporting tools in the back-end administration pages, and I can only give you a couple of examples, but as you can see, here's a nice pie chart with some details about it. Of course there's no data in here, but petition count by threshold, so you can see it's fairly comprehensive the way we can do it. Okay, so I think that's hopefully going to cover a very brief introduction into petitions. If you do want to get in touch with us, please contact us at www.web-labs.co.uk. We'd love to come and see you and do a demonstration, and hopefully you'll submit to the hit the subscribe button even, and so you can see the updates that come along later. Thanks very much. Bye bye.